This will be a quick video. I just wanted to show you something that I tried as an experiment last night. I've been sort of binge watching Lisa on Our Shabby Cottage, and I've been really inspired by some of her repurposed bottles. So here's a version I came up with a combination of napkins that I decoupaged and Iron Orchid design stamps. I made shabby bows with strips of torn cloth, and I used ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and I just really had a good time trying these out. It's actually therapeutic. I noticed a couple of spots where the decoupage paper needs to have a little bit more Mod Podge on it to help it be a little smoother than it is, but all in all, I had a good time doing it. I'm pleased with how they came out, and I learned a lot, so I'm hoping I improve from here. I will be making more of these and filming some of the demonstrations, so stay tuned for more videos. Information on the supplies I used is listed below in the description, and please click on my pop-up video to see another video that I think you'll enjoy. Keep watching for a peek at my helper who decided to take a nap on the fabric. So I had to rewash the fabric, but he's such a cute little guy, I can't fuss at him. Thank you for watching. Check out the rest of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.